Taseto is a manufacturer of welding consumables and chemical products, technical products for the welding of special alloys. The company has been in business for over 80 years, focusing on research and development accompanied by marketing. We work with our customers to find solutions based on a philosophy of always striving to see things from the customer's standpoint. First, we'll introduce our welding consumables. Taseto's flux cord wire includes the GFW series of stainless steel and nickel-based alloy electrodes for flux cord arc welding, the MC series of metal cord wire, the GFW AP series for all-positional welding, the GFW H series designed for high-temperature uses, and other lines, a variety of flux cord wires for special needs. Taseto's filler rods for TIG welding. The TG series includes filler rod made for stainless steel, nickel and nickel-based alloy, copper and copper-based alloy, aluminum alloy, titanium alloy, and so on. Our solid wire is available for MIG welding in the MG series and for TIG welding in the AT series. As with the TG series, we also produce an extensive range of solid wire products. For shielded metal arc welding, Taseto offers the RNY series, which are covered electrodes for stainless steel, nickel and nickel-based alloy, copper and copper-based alloy, and cast iron, an extensive range of products to support manufacturing. Taseto's welding consumables have a long track record and are used in a wide range of welding situations. Now we will introduce examples of how our flux cord wire is used. Here, mechanized welding is being performed using the 2 mm thick sheet metal SUS 304L with our 0.9 mm diameter wire GFW 308L. This type of wire is well suited to mechanized welding of thin sheet metal, which requires a precise torch aim position and stable arc and helps to significantly shorten the time needed for completion. Chemical equipment manufacturers use our GFW 308L for flux cord welding of chemical processing equipment. Here, overlay welding is being performed on the inside of a pump casing using GFW 309L. Flux cord wire offers both efficiency and workability in overlay welding on machinery that has a complex shape or size, such as large pressure vessel flanges and nozzles or the inner surface of small vessels. Flux cord wire enables overlay welding to be done with greater efficiency. The flux cord arc welding of stainless steel building components. Because such components are exposed to the elements, they are made with pure stainless round bar for high durability and maintenance-free use. This is a type of high-efficiency welding that requires a wide range of welding positions, so stainless steel flux cord wire is used. Applications for flux cord wire in the field of architecture continue to grow. Next, our chemical products. Taseto chemical products are divided into 3 categories: defect detectors, assistive agents for welding, and cleaners and anti-rust agents. First, the defect detectors. Our color check dye penetrant inspection materials are used to detect surface defects on metals and non-metals. Color check is used in 4 steps: pre-processing with the remover, spraying on the penetrant, then the remover again, and lastly, the developer. Defects are easily visible to the eye through the contrast of white and red, down to the finest detail. Our Keiko Check fluorescent penetrant inspection materials are excellent for detecting defects, especially in aircraft and automotive-related inspections. Using a black light in a dark area, the defects appear as fluorescent lines, clearly visible to the eye. Our Jiki Check magnetic particle inspection materials are used in iron-making and railway-related fields. The magnetizing test sample is misted with Jiki Check to show the defects. Jiki Check B200 is an aerosol type with black magnetic particles. The contrast paint is white in color when sprayed onto the surface of the test object. Onto this white surface, Jiki Check B200 is sprayed, and the white-black contrast clearly shows even the finest defects. We also have a line of fluorescent magnetic particles that show defects in fluorescent color under ultraviolet light. Moramil, our leak test agent, is used to inspect for water or oil leaks in pipes and vessels. When Moramil is sprayed onto a pipe that contains water or oil, the agent reacts with the liquid and turns red, showing the location of the leak. Our Leak Check bubble leak testing agent is used for gas pipe leak inspections and periodic plant inspections. When Leak Check is sprayed on, a bubbling indicates the location of the gas leak. Next are our assistive agents for welding. Span-On is a spatter deposit preventive agent that stops spatter from adhering to the base metal when welding. Span-On is applied to the area around a weld by brush or sprayed on to prevent spatter adhesion. Tip Clean is a spatter deposit preventive agent for welding nozzles. Prior to the start of welding, apply to the nozzle or tip, and spatter will no longer adhere easily, thereby extending the life of the nozzle or tip. Taseto Silver is a groove face anti-corrosive agent that prevents rusting until welding is performed. Apply Taseto Silver to the groove face to stop rust formation and keep it rust-free until the start of welding. New Bright is a pickling acid used to remove oxidized scale that is generated from welding and heat treating stainless steel. Finally, our cleaners and anti-rust agents. Rust Pica is a neutral type of rust stain remover. Spray onto the rust stain on stainless steel, let it turn purple, then wipe away, and the rust is gone. Rust Block WT is a water-soluble anti-corrosive agent for iron and steel. When applied, it will block the formation of rust until the next process. Taseto's chemical products in three main areas, defect detectors, assistive agents for welding, and cleaners and anti-rust agents, are available as a wide range of products to meet customers' needs. Taseto will continue to develop and market products based on a customer-first policy, as we aim to help improve work efficiency while maintaining safety and being eco-friendly. Taseto has sales branches in 12 locations across Japan, where we work with customers to find solutions to all kinds of welding needs. We spare no effort in working to solve problems of any kind, and we are committed to the safe use of our products. But the reason we do this is our mission to help advance the field of welding, as we consider welding to be the basis of all manufacturing.